Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, we would like to thank Mr. Dede Rohadi Fajri MPD for his guidance in the English course. We from Group 3 will discuss how to download Visual Studio and apply it. Before starting, get to know our group members first. Alvita Umayyah Ningsih, Angga Ramadan, Andik Hendrasyah, and Siti Rohmah. Hopefully this video can be useful and provide clear information. Come on, let's get started. Number 1. Download Visual Studio. Visit the Visual Studio website https://visualstudiomicrosoft.com. Enter. Scroll. Here there is Visual Studio for Mac and there is Visual Studio Code. What I use is Visual Studio 2022 for Windows, and here there are Community, Professional, and Enterprise version. What I will use is Community because this is the free version, so you can use this without having to subscribe or pay. We immediately press the download preview button, then select Visual Studio Community. Then it will automatically download Visual Studio Setup X. Download Community. Run the downloaded installer to start the installation process. Number 2. Choose installation option. During the installation process, will be prompted to choose the edition of Visual Studio you want to install: Community, Professional, or Enterprise, and the workloads and individual components you want to include. Workloads represent sets of tools and features tailored for specific development scenarios, e.g. desktop development, web development, mobile development. Select the workloads and components relevant to your development needs. You can also customize the installation further by selecting individual components.
Install Visual Studio. 1. After selecting the desired workloads and components, click the Install button to begin the installation. 2. The installer will download and install the selected components on your computer. This process may take some time depending on your internet connection speed and the selected component. Number 4. Launch Visual Studio. 1. Once the installation is complete, launch Visual Studio from the Start menu, Windows or Application folder, Mac OS. 2. Upon launching Visual Studio, you will be present with the Visual Studio ID Interactive Development Environment. Number 5. Create a new project. 1. To create a new project, click on File, New, Project from the menu bar. 2. Select the project template and programming language you want to use: A, C#, Visual Basic, C++, JavaScript. 3. Configure the project settings and click Create to create the project.
On stabilizing processing, it completes run your project by clicking on the Start button, green triangle in the top bar, or pressing 5. Number 6. Visual Studio will compile your code and run the application, displaying the object in the output window or debug console. Number 8. Asset health and documentation. If you need assistance or want to learn more about splitting feature as a stable in help system in Visual Studio. Microsoft offers install documentation tutorial and training resolution for Visual Studio user on their website.
Ask help and documentation if you need us or want to learn more about Savage feature as the build and help system Visual Studio. Microsoft often extensive online document tutorial and train resources for Visual Studio ensure on their website. Extension and add-on. Visual Studio support wide range of extension and add-ons that can add your development experience. Explore the Visual Studio Marketplace to discover and install extensions for code editing, project management, version control, and more. Keep Visual Studio updated. Microsoft regularly releases updates and patches for Visual Studio to fix bugs and new features and improve performance. Make sure to keep your Visual Studio installation up to date by installing the latest update from Microsoft. By following test steps and exploring the features of Visual Studio, you'll be to develop software application more efficiently and effectively for various platforms and programming languages.
That is the explanation from our group regarding Visual Studio material. We would like to thank Mr. Dede Rohadi Fajri MPD for the opportunity and guidance in semester 1, as well as to friends who have watched this video. We realize that there are still many shortcomings in delivery. We are very open to suggestion and constructive criticism. Thank you and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.